Hello everybody, this is Christy from kitty_plants on Instagram. For today, I will be doing a memory plan with me in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, I will be using this beautiful kit from my newest addiction. It is called Apricity and it's so beautiful, so wintry, and lots of browns in this kit. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while. All right, so I did get the deco kit, so that's why there's like not really like the regular washi that we have, but I am using this washi add-on actually. So I set it up with there's a little space on there because I was going to put, of course, a big sticker there, just so that it's like a continuous kind of like a bottom washi. And then yeah, that's why I prepared it that way. So for the date covers, I did use this beautiful flowers. These are like a washi, floral washi. These are from my spoiled planner. um and I just love how it goes with the kit. And then I put down the dates of the from the kit itself. So yeah, that's something new for me, but I really like how this date headers look. So that's why I'm like, yeah, let's put it in the in my spread. And then I just put some glitter, of course, from Sadie Stickers, those foiled banners sort of. And yeah, that's it for my washi and date headers.
But the feeling is all gone. 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 Feeling is all gone.
All right, so I'm trying to figure out the, this bottom part with this big sticker of this girl reading a book. I think most of the stickers in this was like reading a book. I didn't like the white space. That's why I put in those ink swatches just so that it's still a continuous space there, and I don't see any white color. So I did do that there, and I'll be cutting off the edges eventually. And I did put another big sticker on the other end, like I was stating previously. There's a lot of big stickers in here, so I really enjoyed playing with them here. So of course, I do like the center. I really like putting them in the center, like diagonal. I always do that. I think I'm noticing in my spreads, I do the diagonal because I don't know, it's just easier to work with when doing my plans. Okay, and this stickers shows lots of people reading books. So I was also thinking about putting it in my reading journal, but I ended up just making it for this spread. It's just so pretty, and then I really like the name Apricity. It means when I look this up, it's like the warmth of the sun in winter is just so good. And then I also was actually reading a book. I just finished a book with that name in the book. So very good. So perfect timing. The Because I knew what it meant, right? At that time when I was reading the book. Because I never knew what apricity meant. I just looked it up when I use this kit. So you know that beautiful like snowflakes on the side on the foil is from Paper Trail Plants. And yeah, just putting on the rest of the foil and more stickers for this kit. I meant spread, not kit. Yeah, so I love this foil stickers from Honey Inked. And I just finish it up with this beautiful, like, what is this? Like a banner of snowflakes. So good. So yeah, that is it for this spread.
Is all gone. Is all gone. Is all gone. Is all gone.
All right, so let's get to the day to day. So I did get some happy mail from Miss and Meow today. I will be using this paper. I think the Pretty Pinko. She used to have two like $2 icons, so I did use that. That is, I believe, is it from her? Or is it from Paper Muse Crafts? Now I forget. And then the Happy Meal script is from Paper Trail Plans. I did film a plan with me for the third week of November on this January week. um, the film script is from Blissful Jayde Design. So most of my scripts in this plan with me is from Blissful Jayde Designs. If you wanna save some coin, I do have a code with her, so just use Christy15. They have a sale ongoing. So yeah, and then what else? Oh, I was able to walk in the, meaning I was on like a, like a treadmill of sorts, those portable treadmills. And I was able to walk for about 30 minutes. Yes, so that's a first for me. But then, I mean, like for a very long time, I didn't do this. So yeah, and now we're on Tuesday. Oh my goodness, here I am again catching up. So on Tuesday, I was still watching, the Culinary 100, the one with the black and white spoon. So good. I just love this show. It's just so much drama as well, but so much fun. And then I did edit my Halloween plan with me at this time. And then I was still reading or listening to Alchemized. Oh my goodness. It's such a, it's a very long book, and there's like so much trauma. I feel like there's so much trauma in there. But yeah, I got so invested in it. And yeah, it's a really good book. All right, the hype is real about it. All right, so let's see. I was able to go get my daughter. Why? Where did she go? Oh, you know why? Because the school called me because she had a high fever. They said that she had a high fever. So this is a first as well for me because she usually doesn't tell the nurse anything. But this time, I guess she wasn't really feeling well. So we did pick her up. And then I got to go on a nap with her because she wasn't feeling well. And I was able to edit a haul. All right. And then next up on Thursday, I already finished Alchemized. It's like it's a Hermione, Hermione and the other guy, oh gosh, Draco, kind of fanfic. It grew from there. So the book that was published was not of course using the names, but also a different story. But it's like based on her fanfic, book. All right. So on where am I now? Thursday, was it? Okay, I was listening. Oh, there's another good book, which is Remain by Nicholas Sparks and M. Night Shyamalan. So yeah, that is another really good book. It's a sort of a, they're two separate writers, or at least the one is like a director, or for something for movies, and the book that they had is like a supernatural love story because Nicholas Sparks does love stories, right? So oh my goodness, it's such a good book. I really enjoyed that. If you like supernatural love stories, it's really good. And then after that, we did order some takeouts from Chipotle, and then I did have my Aura ring, which I'm using. If you see it on my spreads, is it's like a health thing health ring to like monitor your health. So I really like it. It's actually really good. So yeah, that arrived today. And then the sticker shopping I did on Friday was, what did I sticker shop for? I don't know if there was a sale ongoing, or there was just a lot of new releases that day. And then after that, I did buy a gift for my daughter who was going to I mean her, like a gift for her friend that she was going to attend a party for. And then I got some more takeout from Portillo's. And then for Saturday, what? I had a workout for 45 minutes. Can you believe that? And then I brought my daughter to her birthday, the birthdays that she was attending. And I was able to do another plan with me. All right. For Sunday, I read If I Never Met You. I'm still ongoing reading this one. Or did I finish it? Yeah, it's another good book by McFarlane, or anyways, really like it. And yeah, that's it for my spread. Oh my gosh, I really should slow down my plan with me's, because I'm talking so much now. Before I didn't know what to talk about, but now it's like I'm just running out of time. So yeah, we'll make it longer maybe next time. All right, so this is the plan with me. This is Apricity by My Newest Addiction. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.